Hello guys, welcome back to StudyFX channel, your number one channel for binary trading and forex trading. So guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you another strategy for even and odd. So we are going to go through the steps with you, but for even and odd, for this strategy we are going to concentrate on specific digit. So the first thing that you need to do here, you have to make sure you are on Deriv trader, not smart trader. After that, we need to input our trade type. Here we are coming in input over n we are going for even and odd. So for this strategy about even and odd, for even, when we want to enter even, we are going to concentrate on digit 4. So digit 4 has to be more than 12% and increasing, and also at least 3 other even numbers must be above 10%. So let's look at this one. You can see 0 has the one with the green bar, but you can see it's more than 10%. We have 4 more than 10%, 6 more than 10%, and also I think we have 3. But for our entry point, because we are concentrating on number 4, it's not a good entry. So we are going to start off here to look if you are going to get a market that has 4 with the green bar. So guys, here we are. As you can see here, we have 4. It has the highest percentage. It's more than 12%. We are going to look at 0. It has more than 10%. 2 has more than 10%, and also 4 itself. So it's a good market. So for the entry point, we are going to wait for the cursor to touch odd numbers 3 times, and then we enter our even market. So let's look at that. So we wait for the cursor to touch 1. Okay, 1. We are waiting for it to touch odd numbers 3 times, and then we enter even. So let's wait for it to touch 7. We have 0, it's even. We have 8, 2, 3 again, and also 5. So let's go for even. So that's a win. So let's wait for another strategy. 1, 5, and 3. Let's enter even. So that's a loss, but at least we have 1 profit. 7, 3, and then 0. 0, it's even, but you can see we have won that market also. 3, 2, 2, it's even, and 3. Oh, 2, it's even, okay, but we have won that market. So that's the strategy for even. For odd number, we are going to concentrate on digit 5. So digit 5 has to be more than 12% and yet increasing, and also at least 3 odd numbers to be above 10%. Yeah, so let's look for another market to see if you are going to get a market that has more than a market that have 5 with the green bar. So let's look until we get 1. So here we are, guys. You can see here the number 5 digit has the green bar. So all we have to do here is to wait for the digit to go to more than 12%. But before that, let me give you the entry point. So for the entry point, we are going to wait for the cursor to touch any even number 3 times, and then we enter odd. So we can try with, although it's not a 12%, we can try any even number 3 times. So 6, 7. So let's wait for it to touch even numbers, and then 4, 1, 2, 0, 6. So those are odd even number 3 times. So that's a win for the odd market. So let's wait again. Oh, the green bar has shifted to 9, but let's try the market also to see how it's going to work. Okay, even numbers 4 to 8. We enter odd. So that's a loss. We have 1 win. Although you can see 5 and 9 are trying to share the digit 0, 9, 5, 6. So let's wait. 8, 4, 8. So those are even numbers. Okay, that's another loss. But for the strategy, we have to wait for 5 to go to up to 12%, but I'm choosing to trade because it has the green bar. That's another win. 2, 6. Oh, that's 7. Let me think. I haven't had, but it's another win. So let's wait. 0, 8, 0. Wow, that's another win. So if this strategy you keep an eye on it, you can make profit. As you can see here, we started with a demo account of 10,000 and we have a profit of $36. So that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.